Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Pernera, St. Piosis. That's what I'm going to call it, St. Piosis 2. And we're going to go inside, have a look around. I'm looking for the Villa Windmills for Jack. So Villa Windmills, if we see it guys. I'm going to look around anyway. I do like looking around these sort of complexes, don't you guys? When's a villa house? When it's got a swimming pool. I do believe quite a lot of these have got swimming pools. They're narrow, aren't they? But they're lovely. Look at that. I think some of them could do with a pitch roof. That'd be nice, with a nice pitch roof on that. But I think they might have roof terraces, have they? No, they haven't. Yeah, I think a nice pitch roof on that, guys, hanging over a little bit. There we are. That's what I would do if I bought one of these. But they're lovely size. I do like them. So let's go and have a look round, shall we? They're detached. They've got plenty of space around them. That's number 5. What do we want? Windmills, don't we, guys? I do believe some of these are holiday houses, and they are also permanent residents. That's a permanent resident on my left hand side. I think that this one here is a holiday house, number 10. You can always tell it's a holiday house. It's quite empty, lots of space around it. Hasn't got personal effects like doormats or flags or all sorts of personal things. That's number 7. That's bigger though, isn't it? The size of this one here. That's probably 2. Was that 2? No, can't have been. Just a bigger one there. Has it got a swimming pool? Yeah, it's got a swimming pool in the back, guys. I'm going to go in one of them anyway, at least one of them, and have a look at the pool, see what it's like, especially Windmills if I find it. There, that one's got loads of room around it. It's set in the middle, lovely villa. That has got a pitch roof and lovely big balconies. They're all a little bit different from each other, aren't they? So well kept area, very quiet, loads of parking. That one's not called Windmills, no. See, this one might be a holiday house. This one's got the swimming pool at the front here, lovely pool, loads of places to relax. I think that's someone's house. I don't think it's a holiday rental. Sometimes if it's a holiday rental, they've got a sign at the front telling you where to phone if you want to rent it. That's number 5 at the back. Big balconies. Oh, what's that one on the corner there? There it is, Windmills, right on the corner. Oh, this is nice. Oh, very individual. So let's go and have a look around, shall we, guys? So lovely front garden. Next door is a permanent residence. Patio doors here. Then we'll go to the back garden. Oh, I like the way they've separated it. So you've got a separate gate for around the back. Oh, nice back garden. It's like home from home, isn't it? Birds of paradise there. You can sit here, loads of shade as well. That's got the big balcony at the back. Conveniently located tables and chairs, and then we've got another gate that leads you through to the swimming pool area. This is a good idea. If you've got children, you can close that so they don't get in the pool. There we are, if you've got really small children. Oh wow, it's big. So a lovely big swimming pool. loads of places for your sunbeds and umbrellas, and there is sunbeds and umbrellas out there already. There's a canopy there, big table, all conveniently located benches all the way around, so you can sit here and have your breakfast, nice cup of tea there with the shade, jump in the pool after your tea or before your tea, and then you can come round here in, I'm going to call it the garden, the back garden, this area here. And you can come round here, guys, to the garden, close the gate. Oh, lovely plants. You can sit here as well and have a cup of tea in the shade. There's trees everywhere and palm trees, and then we'll go through this area where you've parked your hire car. There we are. So close the gate, come round here, guys, past your hire car, and then you can walk out if you want to, or go for a little ride. There's the front of the house. Again, lovely little garden. Here we are, Windmills Villa. I think it's lovely. Right, let's close the gates and walk out, shall we? As I said, next door is a permanent residence. That's it, show it. There you are. So if you want any inquiries, guys, and you're not sure, you can always ask next door. Very pleasant people. Just said hello to them. I'm going to walk right to back down the end. Oh, I'm in a kerfuffle today, guys. I really am. Never mind. Right, let's go down to the end. So there's the villa right on the corner. Great location. No one else is going to drive past there because you're on the corner. There's no need for anyone to drive down there, so it's very, very quiet. Great idea. I love the way they've separated the gardens. So you've got the side garden, the back garden with all the plants and trees, and then you've got the swimming pool garden or swimming pool area. Great idea. It does feel like a home from home. Very, very cozy. I like it. I like it, guys. I'd live there actually. I'd actually live there. Plenty of room to walk around, enjoy those little gardens and those amazing separate areas. Right, I'm going to go out to the main road. It's a bus stop, guys. That'll take you up to Brodarane and Napa. Or if you want to cross the road, you've got a bus stop over there, and that'll take you up to Paralimni. If you want to go Kaparas, it's not too far, probably a 10-minute walk into Kaparas. Look out for videos, lots of restaurants down there. So there we are, lovely little villa, I think. Really beautiful, home from home. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.